Forgotten username recovery failed on Kraken Fix. If you've lost access to your Kraken account because you forgot your username, don't worry, most people get this wrong at first, but the solution is simpler than you think. Kraken primarily relies on your registered email and identity verification to restore access, so your account isn't permanently locked. Step 1. Visit the Kraken login page and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Kraken will send you an email containing your username or a secure link to recover it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather your full name, the last 4 digits of your linked bank account, and any recent transaction or trades. Kraken support can verify your identity using this information. Step 3. Carefully follow the instructions in the recovery email. If the email doesn't appear in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, sometimes it lands there by mistake. Step 4. If these steps fail, contact Kraken support directly. Provide your verification details and explain that automated recovery didn't work. Their team is trained to help you regain access safely and securely. Remember, forgetting your Kraken username doesn't have to be stressful. With the correct email or identity verification, you can recover your account quickly and continue trading without interruptions. Take a moment to secure your email and keep your verification details handy to prevent future issues.